Welcome to Thuy Dental Clinic, where we bring healthy and confident smiles with professional treatment standards, an experienced team of doctors, and modern equipment. We are proud to be the trusted destination for many international clients visiting Vietnam. Nowadays, with a widespread development of social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, and YouTube, with just one click, you can connect with us via message or call, no matter where you are. If you are experiencing full arch tooth loss and are interested in getting a new set of teeth in Vietnam, as soon as you connect with us, our team of specialists will listen to your concerns about your tooth loss conditions, your desires, expectations, or even the worries you are experiencing. During the online consultation, we may guide you to take some simple photos inside your mouth. If possible, please send us any existing X-ray images. These data help us assess the condition of your bone, remaining teeth, missing tooth locations, and the level of bone loss to create a clear and transparent preliminary plan. We will estimate the number of implants required for your full arch tooth loss condition, advise on the appropriate abutment type for you to choose, and provide projected costs for your implant case. Typically, for full arch implants, you will need to meet the doctor 2 or 3 times, depending on the time you can arrange. You can stay in Vietnam for about 1 week for the first visit to place the implants and fit the temporary denture. All information we provide is clear and thoroughly prepared, so you can feel completely at ease before your journey. As soon as you arrange your travel time to Vietnam, we will schedule your appointment with the appropriate specialist doctor you require. We will pick you up at the airport and assist your transportation to the city center. Thuy Dental Clinic also assists with booking hotel rooms that suit your budget and are conveniently located near the clinic, making your journey more comfortable and easier than ever. Our international reception team will warmly welcome you, guide you through the procedures, and introduce the treatment process meticulously. Firstly, you will have a conversation with the implant specialist doctor whom we have arranged for you. Once the doctor truly understands your desires, you will undergo an intraoral examination. Secondly, you will have the necessary X-rays taken for an in-depth assessment of your jawbone condition right at the time you are preparing for the implant placement. Our modern CT cone beam machine can measure bone dimensions and provide a simulation of the necessary implant placement positions for your tooth loss condition. At stage 1, implant placement surgery, we will place the implants into your jawbone according to the predetermined size and quantities outlined in your treatment plan. The implant placement procedure will be performed in a specialized surgical room, and all instrument used will be sterilized and dried according to standard procedures to ensure safety. You can also be completely reassured because you will be given local anesthesia during the implant placement, so you will not feel pain or discomfort during the procedure. Thuy Dental Clinic chooses major brands such as Biotem, Dentium Superlines, or Neodent. These are major brands widely used in many countries: USA, Korea, Russia, Turkey, with a long-term implant warranty of 10 to 25 years. The widespread use of these implant abutments will make it easier for you to have checks or repairs in case you cannot return to Vietnam with us. After completing an implant placement, we will fit your temporary denture within 24 to 48 hours. The temporary denture will help you chew and ensure aesthetics while waiting for your definitive dentures. Once completed, your implants will need about 3 months to integrate into your jawbone. At stage 2, we will proactively contact to remind you of your appointment so you can arrange to return to Vietnam to fit the definitive denture and complete the treatment. We need to take impressions, send them to the lab for fabrication. This definitive denture, according to your wishes, are completely possible, helping you achieve a denture that chews well and highly aesthetic. You can confidently choose the full arch implant service at Thuy Dental Clinic in the most convenient way. After completing the treatment, you will receive detailed instructions on how to care for your oral health. Your smile will not only be cared for in Vietnam, but we will also accompany you long-term wherever you are.